Master of None here, and today we're doing a review of the Sopoby solder and seal connectors. And it's like a little tube that uses a wire connector that's got adhesive and heat shrink and solder all built into one. So we're going to check this out. So as you can see here, we've got a cord that someone got a little careless with on the circular saw. Actually not me for a change, so that's a good thing. And this few inches of the cord got kind of mangled up. So we're going to try out these wire connectors and see if we can get this saw back up and running. So, on the interior of our wire, we've got a layer of paper with some string as insulation filler, and as you'd expect, a white and black wire. We're getting ready to connect the black wires on each end. Again, we removed about this much. And first thing we're going to do, and I've already done it on this side, is we're going to twist our wire. And not forgetting your Sopoby wire connector. And we're going to bend that into a little C. I could have stripped slightly more wire, it appears. Hook those two together. And slide our wire connector over that. Now we're going to bring in our helping hands here. So, as you can see from my first one, I didn't get a really good solder there, and I think that's because I was trying to use a torch and I'm heating out the outside quicker than the solder will get hot, and I was almost melting the rubber. So I went and grabbed a heat gun, and we're going to try it out on the other connection with the heat gun. So I think that worked out a little bit better with the heat gun. Let's plug this thing in and see if it works. So, 2 layers of electrical tape later. And the saw is back in action, so it looks like they worked. There you have it. They appeared to work pretty good. It's the Sopoby solder and seal connectors. I don't know where you find these even. But, you know, it wouldn't be a Master of None video if something wasn't messed up. So, this has been Master of None, Sopoby seal and solder review. I think they get a thumbs up from me, and I'll put these in the over on the shelf and use them when I need to in the future. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you next time.